Now the next most important for understanding of calendars is to learn about the calculation of odd days. We know in a normal year there are 365 days, and in a leap year there are 366 days. And we know that the days go on repeating themselves after every 7 days, means Sunday, Monday, etc. They go on repeating after every 7 days. So let us see, when we divide 365 means the days in a normal year by 7, what we get. There are 52 full weeks and there is 1 day extra. This extra day is called odd day. So if in a normal year odd day is 1, then in the leap year the odd days will be 2. It means that in normal years, if the January 1st of a year is a Friday, then due to this extra day, due to this odd day, January 1st, 2022 will be a Saturday. I have taken this data, actual data from the computer. You can check and find it that on January 1st, 2021 it was Friday, and due to this odd day, January 1st, 2022 will be a Saturday. Now, there is one odd day every year. In 1 year, there is one odd day. So in 100 years, there will be 100 odd days. In 100 years, there will be 24 leap years. So there will be 24 days extra due to leap years. Please note that in 100 years, there will not be 25 leap years because full century is not a leap year. So in 100 years, there will be 124 extra days, 124 odd days. Now, let us divide it by 7. So 7 and 5 and 4, 7, 49. So 5 days. It means there will be 5 odd days in every 100 years. It means in 100 years, there will be always 5 odd days. In 200 years, there will be 5 plus 5, 10 odd days. When divided by 7, it will give us 3 odd days. In 300 years, there will be 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15 odd days. When divided by 7, it will give us 1 odd day. So, in 100 years, there are 5 odd days. In 200 years, there are 3 odd days. And in 300 years, there is 1 odd day.